Your bathroom might be holding one of the most damaging products you use every single day, and you have no idea. Shampoos that millions of people trust have been connected to hair loss, scalp burns, and multi-million-dollar class action lawsuits. 7 popular formulas on store shelves right now carry ingredients that quietly destroy your hair over time, and several of them have been dragged through federal court. This video names every single one, explains exactly what makes each dangerous, and then gives you 3 safe alternatives you can switch to today. Start with OGX, a brand owned by Johnson & Johnson that sits on almost every drugstore shelf in the country. Packaging looks premium, scents are appealing, and corporate marketing makes it feel like a luxury product. But thousands of customers filed a class action lawsuit against OGX, claiming the shampoo caused severe hair loss and scalp burns. Court documents pointed directly at one ingredient, DMDM-hydantoin. This acts as a preservative that works by slowly releasing formaldehyde into the formula over time. Formaldehyde operates as a chemical used to preserve lab specimens and is classified as a known human carcinogen by major health agencies. So when you lather up with OGX, you're coating your scalp with a substance that off-gasses formaldehyde with every single wash. Litigation was eventually dismissed by a federal judge, but many customers still felt the damage to their hair had already been done. Next is TRESemmé Keratin Smooth, which faced almost identical legal trouble. Customers reported scalp irritation, thinning, and accelerated shedding after switching to TRESemmé's Keratin line. Once again, DMDM-hydantoin showed up as the culprit in the formulation. Executives eventually adjusted their recipe, but hair care experts flagged a separate ongoing issue. TRESemmé products remain loaded with heavy silicones and high-concentration sulfates. Silicones build up on the hair shaft over time, sealing moisture out instead of in, which creates false shine while the hair underneath slowly weakens. Sulfates then strip the scalp of the natural oils that protect your follicles at the root. Legal battles may be settled, but ingredient problems haven't fully gone away. WEN Hair Care presents a different situation entirely, becoming one of the most disturbing stories in the beauty industry's recent history. WEN marketed itself as a cleansing conditioner, an all-in-one product that would replace your entire hair care routine. Thousands of women bought into it. What followed was one of the largest hair care lawsuits in American history. People reported bald patches, clumps of hair coming out in the shower, and extensive scalp damage that took years to recover from. Regulators at the U.S. Food and Drug Administration discovered that the manufacturer had received 21,000 complaints about WEN products, a number that dwarfed almost any other single hair care product on record. Problems traced back to heavy chemical ingredients combined with no proper surfactant to rinse them clean, which caused product buildup directly on the follicles, suffocating hair at the root. DevaCurl built its entire reputation among people with curly hair who swore the brand transformed their wash day routine. That loyalty made the eventual backlash even more painful. A major class action lawsuit hit DevaCurl after users began documenting hair damage, scalp irritation, and allergic reactions across social media platforms. Dermatologists who analyzed the situation pointed to the brand's recommended washing routines, which led to severe product buildup and scalp inflammation as the most likely trigger. What made this case stand out was the community involved. Curly-haired consumers are more vulnerable to damage because their routines often involve heavy products that cause rapid buildup, and their hair loses moisture faster than straight hair. For them, switching to a chemically aggressive shampoo didn't just break their routine, it broke their hair. Now look at a brand that dominates supermarket shelves and spends heavily on advertising: Pantene Pro-V. Commercials depict models with thick, glossy hair, and the price point keeps it accessible to almost everyone. Trouble lives inside the bottle. Pantene formulas rely on high levels of sodium lauryl sulfate, commonly shortened to SLS, combined with dimethicone, a heavy silicone. SLS works almost identically to dish soap on your scalp. It strips every trace of natural oil away, which causes your body to overproduce oil to compensate, creating a cycle of grease and dryness at the same time. Silicone then coats each strand to fake smoothness, while blocking real moisture from penetrating the hair shaft at all. Head & Shoulders has marketed itself as the dandruff solution for decades, and for people with flaky scalps, that promise feels comforting. Reality proves more complicated. Most standard Head & Shoulders formulas use aggressive sulfates as their primary cleaning agents, compounds strong enough to strip oils your scalp actually needs to stay balanced. Yes, active ingredients like zinc pyrithione do target the fungal cause of dandruff, but surrounding chemicals cause collateral damage. Dry hair gets drier. Sensitive scalps get more irritated. Users often find themselves trapped in a loop where the dandruff clears up, but the scalp becomes chronically dry and tight, which can trigger a different kind of flaking altogether. Treating one problem while generating another is not a real fix. Selsun Blue Maximum Strength rounds out this list, and it shares several of the same problems as Head & Shoulders, while adding a few of its own. Certain Selsun Blue formulas have contained DMDM-hydantoin, the same formaldehyde-releasing preservative connected to OGX and TRESemmé. Beyond that, active compounds in the maximum strength version are harsh enough to trigger skin allergies and scalp rashes in anyone with any degree of sensitivity. Dermatologists frequently recommend that medicated dandruff shampoos be used sparingly, not as a daily wash. High concentration levels make it particularly unsuitable for regular use, and packaging doesn't always make that limitation clear to the person reaching for it in the pharmacy aisle. 3 shampoos have earned clean records, dedicated dermatologist backing, and real trust from people who made the switch and never went back. Shampoo was created by a board-certified dermatologist specifically for people with sensitive skin and scalp conditions. SheaMoisture's formula omits sulfates, silicones, and parabens, 3 of the biggest offenders across the products covered above. Clinical testing backs up its safety profile, and the brand specifically targets people who've already had bad reactions to mainstream shampoos. It works across all hair types and sits comfortably in the mid-range price bracket, so safety doesn't come with a premium price tag attached. SheaMoisture, particularly their Jamaican black castor oil line, has earned consistent praise from hair health experts and is widely recommended across natural hair communities. Ingredients center on shea butter, coconut oil, and castor oil, delivering real moisture without clogging follicles or disrupting the scalp's oil balance. There are no harsh sulfates in the mix, which means the hair's natural protective barrier stays intact through every wash. For anyone dealing with dry, damaged, or chemically processed hair, SheaMoisture actively repairs what harsher shampoos broke down over time. Health groups have rated it among the safest options on the mass market shelf, and the price makes it highly accessible. Native shampoo takes the simplest approach of all 3, and sometimes simple is exactly what a damaged scalp needs most. Native's ingredient list is short enough to read in under a minute, and every compound on it is easy to pronounce. No sulfates, no parabens, no synthetic dyes, and no hidden preservatives that off-gas harmful chemicals over time. Native built its original reputation in the personal care space on clean, minimal formulations, and the shampoo line carries the same core philosophy. Fewer ingredients, each one chosen for a specific purpose, nothing added for cheap preservation or false shine. Shared traits across every dangerous product on this list remain consistent. Complicated formulas packed with cheap preservatives, harsh cleaning agents, and heavy coating silicones that look good in commercials but damage hair across months of regular use. DMDM-hydantoin alone connects 4 of the 7 hair care products on this list to federal legal action. Sulfates connect almost all of them to issues of over-drying and stripped oils. Your scalp is skin, and what you put on it every morning matters as much as anything else in your routine. Check the back of every shampoo bottle in your bathroom right now. If sodium lauryl sulfate sits near the top of the ingredient list, your hair is being stripped with every single wash. Switch to one of the 3 clean options covered in this video. Give your scalp time to rebalance, and watch what happens when you stop feeding it chemicals. Your hair has the ability to recover. Give it the chance to do exactly that, starting today.